Understanding Rent in Twain, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, rent in twain. This idiom is not just a collection of words, it's a portal into the rich tapestry of the English language. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage. Rent in twain is a somewhat archaic phrase in English. The word rent is the past tense of rend, which means to tear or split something violently. Twain, on the other hand, is an old-fashioned term for two. Put together, rent in twain means to be torn or split into two parts. It's often used metaphorically to describe something that is severely divided or broken apart. This idiom has its roots in biblical and literary language. The imagery of something being torn into two parts is often used to convey a sense of dramatic separation or destruction. For instance, in the Bible, the veil of the temple is said to be rent in twain at the moment of Jesus' death, symbolizing a profound spiritual division. While rent in twain is not commonly used in everyday conversation, it appears in literature, poetry, and formal speeches. It's often employed for dramatic effect or to describe a significant split or disagreement. For example, a politician might say, "The issue has rent our community in twain," to highlight a deep divide among people. To use rent in twain effectively, remember it's best suited for formal or literary contexts. It's a powerful way to describe a major break or division, whether physical, social, or ideological. However, it might sound overly dramatic or outdated in casual conversations. We hope this exploration of rent in twain has been enlightening. Remember, understanding idioms like this can enrich your English vocabulary and give you a deeper appreciation of the language's history and nuances. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to explore more such phrases. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.